Let me share this simple and easy okra stew recipe with you. Making this was fun. It turned out very perfect and absolutely delicious. Pairing this with banku wasn't bad at all, and the one fell in love with it. If today is the first time here, I share easy recipes and my name is Lena. Kindly subscribe for more videos. It is absolutely free. Okay, if you do so. Now let's start. I have with me here my good meat. So with the good meat, I added pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, natural herbs and spice blend. I added my salt, and then I cooked it very well. Just use your favorite spice to spice your meat very well, and trust me, your recipe is going to turn out very perfect. I will just continue giving this a stir and then wait for a while because the meat is very hard. Okay, and we are not going to prepare soup, we are preparing stew. So if it is hard, the one going to enjoy this will not enjoy it because it is going to be very hard. So if you are using hard goat, make sure you cook it very well if you are using it for stew but not soup. Okay, yes, we are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Kindly follow us for more videos. Do you know something? If you want short videos like a minute duration or a minute and 30 seconds, follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and our YouTube short. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Now we will leave that on fire. I have with me here my okra, and we are going to cook this very well. So with this okra stew we are making, we want it slimy, not very slimy. So I'll go ahead and then add some baking soda to it, and then add some water to it, give it a stir, cook this very well, and then we can proceed. I hope you get it. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like my video. Can you please like the video for me? I'll be very happy if you share to others, but extremely happy if I see your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much for doing that for me. Now I am going to leave this on fire to cook very well, and when it is done cooking, I will get back to you so that I will share the next step with you. Okay, thank you. Whilst this is on fire, I have checked on the goat meat and it is doing absolutely well, and as at this time it is almost ready, but we just need to cook it for some few minutes. I have with me here my palm oil. I've added my chopped onions to it, and I'm just going to give it a stir. Make sure I fry it well. Okay, I don't want it very brown, yes, but I will ensure that it is well fried before I add any other ingredients to it. As I'm talking to you, I am blending my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions, and then tomatoes. Okay, but before that I have added some ginger cubes to it. Okay, that I made it at home, and the recipe is on the channel. It absolutely helps when preparing food. You don't have to be wasting your time to prep all those things from the beginning. Yes, so I've added the tomatoes, the onions, and then the pepper I blended, and I'm just going to give this a stir. Wait for the liquid to reduce before we proceed. This looks absolutely delicious already. We checked on it again, and this is how it looks. Are you still with me? If yes, thank you. Thank you so much. After some time, I added my goat meat to this because we just want it to cook very well. We want it soft because it is not soup. Okay, so I added it to it earlier than waiting for it to for the liquid to reduce or to fry very well before adding it to it. So that is what I did. Now our okra is also done, and just look at that. So good. We are just going to be adding this to the other one on fire, but we just have to wait for the stew to fry very well before we attend to it. Thank you once again for spending some time with me. I'm so grateful. Now this is the stew and it is almost ready. I tasted for salt and everything was okay, because remember we seasoned the goat. Okay, we seasoned the goat and I've added my crab to it, and that was also seasoned. So you have to be very careful with the salt. I have added some cow skin to it, and I am just going to give this a stir. The liquid you saw earlier was the stock I got from the crab. Okay, so the stew was too thick and I decided to add that to it to loosen up so that I can go ahead and then prepare this, because the stew is not ready. You can see you can't see any oil on top. Okay, it is not ready. If it is ready, you will see oil on top. I can still see some liquid in there, so let's fry it very well before we proceed. At this point everything is on point, the salt, everything is okay, and we do not want to add anything salt to it, but just wait for a while so that all the things in there can cook very well before we proceed. Now stew is ready. You can see the oil, so I'll go ahead and then add my okra. Just look at how slimy the okra is. We dropped some pepper in the okra because in case someone wanted spicy, the person can just mash that in the stew, and not everyone wants their food spicy. Okay, so everyone will enjoy it. That is why I did it that way for this particular person. Just look at that, so delicious. I'll continue giving it a stir till everything becomes uniform, because at this point you can see the soup somewhere, or you can see the okra somewhere. The stew is under the okra. Everyone is minding their business, but we want to combine everything. You have to come together, and then we are good to go. Just look at how slimy the stew is. Very, very slimy. Now I'm just going to wait for a minute or two and then show you how our stew is looking. I just want to remind you again, if you've not subscribed to the channel, kindly do so. Okay, I will be very happy if you do that for me. This is how the stew is looking. Look at that, still slimy, and I just love it. She fell in love with it and she asked for more. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning of the video to now. Do you know something? The next upload, you will fall in love for it, so you can't afford to miss it. Stay in touch and I will bring it to you. So I come your way next time. Always remember, I'm grateful that you always spend some time with me. I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.